In this video, I will show you how to fix horizontal lines on a MacBook Air screen using safe steps you can try at home. This common issue can be caused by software or hardware problems, and proper troubleshooting can save you from costly repairs. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Fix It Tech, the channel where I help you fix Windows, PC, and tech issues with simple step-by-step guides. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, and let's jump right in. Start by restarting the MacBook. This is the easiest thing to try, and it often fixes temporary display glitches. Restart it normally, and check if the horizontal lines are gone. If the MacBook is frozen or not responding, press and hold the power button until it shuts down. Then turn it on again, and check the screen. After that, check for macOS updates. Open System Settings, go to Software Update, and see if any update is available. If there is one, install it. Software updates can fix display bugs that may be causing horizontal lines on the screen. Next, reset the NVRAM or PRAM, which stores settings related to the display. Shut down the MacBook, then turn it on and immediately press and hold Command, Option, P, and R together. Keep holding the keys until the MacBook restarts, then release them and check if the display improves. Now move on to resetting the SMC, which controls hardware functions like power and display behavior. If you are using an Intel-based MacBook, an SMC reset can help with screen issues. On Apple Silicon MacBooks, the SMC resets automatically when you restart, so no extra steps are needed. Once done, look at the screen again. The next step is booting into safe mode. Safe mode loads only the basic system drivers. If the horizontal lines disappear in safe mode, this usually means the issue is related to software rather than hardware. After that, run Apple Diagnostics to check for hardware problems. Restart the MacBook and hold the D key while it turns on. Let the test complete and see if any error codes appear. This helps confirm whether there is a hardware fault. Then test the display using an external monitor. Connect your MacBook to another screen. If the same lines appear on the external display, the problem may be related to the graphics hardware. If the external screen looks fine, the issue is likely with the MacBook's internal display or its cable. Finally, observe what happens when you move the screen. Slowly open and close the MacBook lid and watch the lines closely. If they change, flicker, or move with the screen angle, it usually points to an internal display cable issue. Do not open the MacBook or try to repair it yourself. This step is only to help identify the problem. And there you have it. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you understand and troubleshoot the horizontal lines on your MacBook Air screen without any stress. If one of these steps worked for you, or if you still have questions about your display, feel free to share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear how it went.